Very important thing, friends. Very important thing. So, most of the time, we are doing low-level activities. Low-level activities, of course, which are going to generate very less money. Which are going to generate very less money. Such a type of low-level activities which can't be deleted, such a type of activities, better to delegate. Remember this one, better to delegate. Delegation is the leverage. It is not laziness. Delegation is the shortcut for your success, for your growth. Remember this. This is the mantra, sir. Sir, just, what we call Alibaba. Alibaba is going to get some mantra is going to read automatically. So that ghost is going to come. Yes, I'm going to fulfill. I'm going to fulfill your requirement. Like for you people, if you want to success, if you want to, yes, Jenny, correct. Jenny will come, and what you want, I will fulfill your requirement. Like the same way for any person. Okay, such type of mantra is a delegation. Start using that mantra. Okay, for your growth, for your success. It's a wonderful thing, friends. Wonderful thing for you people. Okay, delegation. At least one activity, sir, I started delegated. If you do these two activities, then as a mentor, I'm feeling very happy. I'm feeling very happy. Yes, my students understood the concept very well. They implemented like I can feel very happy, friends. Only two activities I'm expecting. One is remove completely useless activity from your daily routine. The second one is at least one activity. Can you please delegate so that the other person is responsible to do that? If you have this type of mentality, your growth by default will be there. Because if you are going to delete useless activity, yes, I deleted some useless activity. I don't know why I'm doing this many years. Remove completely. Are you going to get some free time or not? Respond. Are you going to get some free time or not? Because of deleting that activity. Yes, you will get some free time. You will get some free time. Okay. Next, so some low-level activities you are delegating to someone. Again, you are going to get some free time or not? You are going to get some free time. You are going to get some free time. Once you are getting some free time means happily you can use that free time on higher level activities. Remember that. Yesterday or day before yesterday, buyback rate concept I explained. Okay. Your buyback rate is 1,000 rupees, 1,250, 2,000 rupees, 2,500 rupees is your buyback rate. But you are doing cooking activity, sweeping activity. Do you know for the sweeper, for the cook, the person who is going to cook, how much buyback, their buyback rate is 47 rupees, 40 rupees. 40 rupees, 30 rupees is their buyback rate per hour. Their buyback rate is 30 rupees or 40 rupees. Your buyback rate is 1,250 rupees or 1,500 rupees, 2,000 rupees. 2,000 rupees worthy person doing 40 rupees activity, 50 rupees activity, how stupid it is. Then where is the question of expecting growth in my life, success in my life? How you people are going to expect, man? It is stupid. Don't expect growth. Don't expect success. Getting right? Always try to calculate. Always try to calculate. So is really this work? Am I required to do? Can I delegate to someone? If I can delegate to someone, identify right who is going to take care. Who is going to take care? Delegate. If that person is not doing well, no problem, man. Don't worry. But don't do that activity on yourself. Identify next person, right who. Identify the right who, and that right who is the responsible to do that activity. Believe me, delegation is the leverage. Delegation is the shortcut for your success. Delegation is not laziness.